Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Inventory Now product tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Inventory Now is a product tracking app designed to help small business owners, retailers, and individuals manage their stock efficiently. The app allows users to add items, organize them into categories, track quantities, and monitor sales or usage. It also supports barcode scanning, quick search, and exporting data into reports, making it easier to stay on top of inventory management. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Inventory Now for its simple interface, smooth navigation, and the ability to track items quickly without unnecessary complexity. It's often praised by small business owners who want a lightweight solution that saves time and reduces errors when monitoring product stock. The option to export inventory data also makes it convenient for reporting and bookkeeping. Still, the app does come with its downsides. Some users report limitations in handling large-scale inventory, as it is better suited for small businesses or personal use rather than enterprise-level operations. A few features, such as advanced analytics, multi-location management, or cloud syncing, may feel limited compared to more comprehensive inventory systems. Additionally, certain functions may require in-app purchases or subscriptions. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Inventory Now app may be worth using if you're looking for a straightforward and reliable way to track products and manage stock. It shines in simplicity, quick setup, and everyday usability. However, if you need advanced features for large operations or multi-location businesses, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.